Hey guys, it's Amber, and I'm just getting started on sorting my week in the life products that I already know are going to be sorted by each day. So just to give you an idea of what I have here, I have my 3x8 cards, my 10x4 card that says Monday Stories, and my Monday card. So from there, I also have my Monday envelope. I kind of mixed and matched these based on what colors I wanted, but it doesn't have to stay there permanently. These can change. I also have my day of the week. So each day has a number. The only one that you can really choose is the number 6. So I chose to go with the teal one. The other one was like a peachy pink, I think. I have my Monday tag. And then I have my Monday transparent circle. And then for each day with my color scheme, I kind of went through and I picked out a coordinating, sorry, I've got a little hair there, a coordinating half circle that matched. And then I went through and picked out a pinwheel that I thought coordinated well. And then a complementary card. So like obviously I didn't have any colors that really coordinated, but this one matched the day 1, Monday, peach color. And so then I also went with a chipboard label that kind of coordinated with that color and kind of went with the navies. I just realized I have that on the wrong day. So I have everything gathered here, and I'm not sure how I'm going to use these yet, if they're going to be in their own pocket or if they're going to be like basically when I pull out the back of this card, if they're going to be on the back of something. I'm not really 100% sure yet. One thing I am anticipating, I don't want to cover the front of these, but on the back I think would be a great place to pop a pinwheel and maybe do a sticker or a vellum piece with some sort of little journaling spot or icon sticker, something like that. Or even one of these. Could be really cool. So that's the little gathering that I have for Monday. Just to get an idea, I'll show you like 2 more, just so you can kind of see how I gathered the product together. Let's go with like Wednesday. That's a nice bright one. So we've got pinks, the green. I've got some really bright. I picked this pinwheel because it had lots of peachy pinks in it. Have the half circle that matches and coordinates. I have a pink and gray card. This has a brighter color card there. Wednesday happens to coordinate. Have a pink label. It doesn't match exactly, but they're never going to. And let's go with Saturday, just because I love this color. It's my favorite. So we've got the blue 6, which maybe I will switch these so they're not back to back, but this is like my favorite color. So I'm not sure yet. We'll see if I stick with those. The colors for that day are yellow. So I picked this color, which had a nice coordinating teal blue with yellow, a yellow label. I was able to put a yellow and blue card. A little chipboard flakes. I've got the blue tab. This color happens to be green and not coordinate, but that's okay. It'll help pull in all of the colors of the entire album together by mixing and matching. So on a handful, I wasn't paying attention. I thought this thing said loving all the things about this week. This is a weekend card. So I had put this one, memories from this week, on Sunday, but this would either go on Saturday or Sunday, and this would probably go on Monday as a opener. And then I chose to put this on Sunday just because it was the only one that was unique. It had like that teal kind of S color, but that really coordinated with my S for Sunday. And you can see I've got like pops of teal and stuff there. So my next step is going to be popping all this into the album. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with day 1 here. I'm not going to show you all of them. I'm just going to show you one of them. Just give myself some space to work with here. How we're going to do this. So Right now I have a very, very loose formula. I need one of the page protectors that has 2 4x4s and 2 4x6s, and one that has 2 4x10 pockets. And that is going to hold, and this might change the position of where these go, but for now that's just going to slide in there. That's the only thing going into that. This one's going to hold a Monday card, a Monday pocket, and one of these cards as well, because I'm just staging everything for now. And then all of my little pieces here that say Monday or that I have selected to coordinate are going to tuck into the pocket, just like that. So then I will put the Monday page protector, the Monday timeline, these two, and then I will keep moving so that all the product is in the album ready to go, kind of staged. So pretty much all I have left over is all of the products from the Sunrise Sunset Kit. Oh, you know what? I did want to put some of these Starbursts in here with coordinating colors. And so I have all of these, which are like morning and evening cards. I've got all of these left over. And then there's not really much else. This year's kit is has much less product compared to the 2022 collection, where I had like so many things to choose from that I was trying to put on each day, like fabric tags and vellum pieces and label stickers and stuff. So I want to go through my stash and see what I have left over, because I certainly didn't use it all, and see what I can coordinate. See what I have left that would coordinate with this year's kit, and make my own Weekend Life kit. So I'm going to keep on moving, and then when we get a little closer to the project, I will be sharing this video. It might be with my day one process video. I'm not really sure. I just wanted to get some footage down so you guys could see my process for product gathering. Okay guys, so I went through my stash and I added a couple more things to my pile of stuff here that I thought might make sense for adding to my album that kind of go with the colors. So I have these 4 cards from an old kit. So playing, enjoying, eating, and adventuring, a story about right now. I thought those could be fun, spread out throughout a few days. This is from a very recent one little word kit. So it says one day at a time, over and over. And then this striped pattern paper. So this I could use as is, or I could cut it into 4x6s or something, or 3x4s. This already came with the kit. This was another one little word pattern paper, I believe. So the circles, and then this, not necessarily this, but it was already grouped together. But it's kind of in the colors of the kit, and I could maybe be a little scrappy with it. This was actually an envelope from one of the Day in the Life kits, but it's perfect for fitting inside of a 10x4 album. So I thought if I wanted to include anything, I could add some stuff to it there, like a sticker strip with holes. Words are evading me right now. I could add that into the album. So I went through my stash of 12x12 pattern papers. This is from the labels kit, I believe, but it's got 12 prompts here that I could cut out and add to photos. Listening, reading, eating, drinking, wishing, learning, creating, hoping, working, loving, making, and watching. This is also from the labels kit, but it's got days of the week. This week, currently thankful for these things. And just some fun ones that could maybe be cut out. This is a Vicky Bouton paper. I used a really similar, different colored one last year, but I thought that this brown background might work well with the craft. And then this is the patterned paper that I am thinking about pulling to use as my paper to match the kit. I like to use either of that 4x6 or 3x4 card on every day to help tie in throughout the series, basically. And I just really thought, this is all I have. This is from a really old kit from Heidi Swap called September Skies. But I just really thought that this paper went well. It's got this pink, this peach, it's got some blues, it's got a couple greens, it even has this teal color. And even though it doesn't, it kind of has like a teeny bit of yellow over here. I just really thought that it would go well. And it's kind of springtime right now with flowers and stuff popping up, so I thought that would be pretty. It's the best I could find. And then the other thing too is I did cut down my envelope. This was the best I could do. This side got ripped up because of having to tear off the thing where it was glued down. It wasn't a tie style this time. But I haven't done anything else with them yet until I decide if I'm going to maybe want this as a 7x8.25 piece, or if I'm going to cut these into 4x6s or 4x4s or 3x4s. I just don't know yet. So I'm leaving them as is in the album with my stuff. So I hope that that overall gives you a look at my process. I'm more than ready to jump in. So I had actually created the first video before we had our prep day, and I'm doing the second video after our prep day, but I'd already gathered everything, including the extras. And I have even more ideas written down for photo taking, and I'm really hoping to push myself a little more creatively this time. I always think that I do a really good job, but I have some neat ideas from other people that I'm hoping to incorporate into my style of photo taking, my style of creativity. So I'm hoping that it will work. Thanks so much. I will see you guys soon for the actual creation of the project. Bye for now.